Thermador has been a pioneer in professional style cooking, known for their powerful star burners, thoughtful engineering, and a design that blends both performance with everyday usability. Thermador ranges have become a staple in serious home kitchens, and in this video, we're taking a closer look at their Pro Gas Ranges, including their features and accessories, sizing, styles, installation tips, common questions about the ranges, and where they stand in the industry today that continue to make them a popular choice for homeowners designing a professional kitchen at home. First, let's talk about Thermador's Pro Gas Range features. First would be their patented Thermador designed star burner, which features this unique 5-point shape sealed burner for 56% more even flame distribution, which is more than any other round burner. Next is their ExtraLow burners. The burners cycle on and off to maintain a very low temperature. You can actually hear it when it's turning itself on and off, hands-free. And this is perfect for simmering delicate sauces or keeping food warm without scorching or stirring. Next, if you love to clean, you're going to be in luck here because the raised pedestal burner design with a teardrop shape emboss, it's perfect for spill containment and it's easier, especially cleaning under the burners when you're done cooking. Whether you know somebody who has Thermador or maybe you have an older Thermador unit yourself, you're in luck if you're looking to upgrade. You'll be able to change the settings on their full color TFT display, which is located right on the front panel of all their Pro ranges. Next is if you like those easy to use racks, you're in luck because the full access telescopic racks that glide smoothly on ball bearing racks will be present here in all of their ranges, allowing them to extend for safe, easy access while supporting the heaviest of dishes. The Thermador Pro Gas ranges come with all burners, or you can add a griddle in both 36 and 48 inches here. Here we can see the dual oven 6 burner with the nice griddle. There are two different types of Thermador Pro ranges. First is the Pro Harmony, pictured here on the right. It is a standard depth model and it is designed to fit flush in standard 24-inch depth cabinets. The max burner is going to be 18,000 BTUs and it is available in 30, 36, and 48-inch widths. Next is the Pro Grand Gas range, and it's Pro Grand because it is full commercial depth at 27.9 inches and it is meant to protrude from the standard cabinetry. Plus, you'll get 22,000 BTU on the max burner. It has a fast 2-hour self-clean mode, which the other one doesn't. You'll have smooth closing doors that'll prevent slamming, analog display for quick real-time temperature monitoring. You can see it on the left of the full-color TFT display, and sizing availability is for 36 and 48 inches only. A good way to distinguish between the two when looking at them is that analog temperature gauge right in the middle, right where the arrow is. So on the left, you have the Pro Harmony, and on the right, you have the Pro Grand. Next, let's talk some installation because there's a little bit more involved than just sliding it in. If we look at the installation guide, when we're comparing the max cabinet recess depth, the Pro Harmony is 24 inches in terms of max recess depth, and the Pro Grand, you'll need a little bit more. You'll need 25 and 1/8 inch. And for clearance requirements, for 36 and 48-inch models, the island trim requires a 6-inch clearance to combustible surfaces like the back wall. I have circled it for you here. A manufacturer-approved low backguard is required to reduce rear clearance to 0. And in terms of electrical requirements, a 110-120 volt plug-in is required. 15 amps is going to be required if you're using the range that only has burners. But if you want that electric griddle like in the 36 or the 48-inch, you'll need 20 amps. And not to mention, on site, the range is field convertible to liquid propane. All models come ready for natural gas, and the LP conversion kit can be purchased as an accessory. Next, let's look at some of the accessories available to you. In terms of installation accessories, I covered a couple, but there's also that 7-inch low backguard, so if you don't want any splatter or you're next to a combustible surface, you'll have a toe kick to hide the feet on the Pro Grand models. If you live in Lake Tahoe or in other high altitudes, there's a gas conversion kit, and then the liquid propane conversion kit. In terms of surface accessories, if you like to cook with Asian style cooking with woks and high temperatures, there's a wok ring for you. There's a griddle cover, there's a grill plate, there's even a chopping block. And if you love color and a little bit of splash, you're in luck because Thermador uses a metallic blue knob kit, and it comes across all of their appliances, all their cooking at least. You can see in their wall ovens in the upper right, you can see in their ranges in the upper left, even their cooktops and range tops on the bottom left and the bottom right. Blue is my favorite color, and they sure look beautiful here in these kitchen applications. So, what is the core positioning within Thermador in the industry? Thermador offers true professional grade gas performance without requiring the learning curve that sometimes comes with more complex luxury brands. They're designed to cook consistently and handle serious use, focusing on performance rather than flashy or novelty features. And not to mention, they're a strong standalone range, but often become an even easier choice if you're bundling it together with their complete kitchen appliance package. So, who would be a target buyer for Thermador Pro Gas Ranges? Someone looking for true professional style without the most aggressive or flashy brand presence. Someone seriously comparing brands like Wolf, Monogram, and Thermador to determine what's the best fit. Somebody likely outfitting an entire kitchen, so evaluating the overall package and long-term value, not just the range by itself. And when looking for appliances, there will be objections. Is Thermador as good as Wolf? In terms of everyday cooking performance, yes. The differences tend to come more down to the brand philosophy and design approach than the results you'll get in the pan. Next, a good question could be, why choose Thermador over Monogram? These two brands are highly compared. Thermador often feels more straightforward in both how it operates and how it's explained. A very direct, performance-first approach. Next, why is it priced at this level? The pricing reflects the core fundamentals: stronger burner output, solid oven performance, and professional grade quality, not added complexity or unnecessary features. And when thinking about Thermador, you have to have the right mindset. Lead with Thermador when someone wants confidence more than technology. Keep the conversation grounded in cooking behavior, not comparing specs. And having a package incentive to reinforce value with the range definitely makes sense.